Hi guys, in front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and let me show you how to add or remove Google account. So at first open the settings, then find and select accounts. So here you've got it, passwords and accounts, and as you can see currently we are logged in with our Google account. To remove it, smoothly mark it and then select remove account. To confirm your decision, you need to tap on remove account, click on OK, then use your fingerprint to confirm, and that's it. It's no longer connected with this device. And then whenever you wish to add your Google account again, or maybe log in with your account for the first time, you have to open passwords and accounts again and click on add account. Then select Google and provide your details, so email, address or phone number. Then tap on next. And now it's time to enter the password here, so let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, just tap on next. Okay, so let me re-enter it as I mistyped something. And then as only it is entered, tap on next. Then confirm if it is your device of your kiddos, smoothly mark it this way and tap on next then. Click on I agree. Accept again, and that's it. As you can see, it has been added and you can smoothly use it. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.